good, everybody? We on Modern Warfare 2 Warzones, and today I'm about to show y'all how to do this White Lotus challenge on DMZ called Heroes Run Solo. If you find this video helpful at all, please consider subscribing and leaving a like on the video. It will really help me out and it will really help us grow. Without further ado, let's get into it. Let's get it. First things first, I want y'all to log into DMZ. Once you log into DMZ, go on your TAC map and look around the map for any secure hostage contracts that you can find. Once you find one, I want you to go to the area that the hostage contract is in. Once you get to the area, do not directly go to the contract and accept it. What I want y'all to do is make sure that your captions is on so you can see enemies talking. If it is on, I want you to search the area near the secure contract and look for the civilian talking. Once you find a civilian's dialogue, I want you to look in any surrounding buildings that a hostage is in. Once you find a building, it should say requires contract. What I want you to do is go around that building, look for any windows. If you see any windows, shoot the windows, and you'll be able to shoot any enemies inside there to clear them out faster. Now, the enemies cannot shoot back at y'all, which is a plus. That's why I'm saying do this before you accept the contract. Once you look around the whole building and kill every enemy, then go back to the contract and accept it. Once you accept the contract, I want you to go as fast as you can to the hostage where you cleared the buildings. Infiltrate there, grab the hostage, and then leave the building as fast as possible.
I'm over here! Help!
Once you're outside the building, this is where the hard part comes in. The hard part is running to the helicopter exfil with the hostage. Once you get in that exfil, you guys gotta set the hostage in there, and it's entirely up to y'all if y'all wanna exfil with the hostage or get out of the helicopter with the hostage. Once you did this, boom, you got it. That's how you do it solo, bro. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. I'll see y'all guys on the next one. Peace.
No falling back, all they had was a back of all they shack. And it's still when it's spoken, it reopened its gap. And he's sad he doesn't care without sparing a life. Shit. A million against him, a fair fight, and tear right through the ambush. Which man would stand in hand with a knife, then get stabbed and sliced like a sandwich? Want more, a bandage, grab your Adam's apple. Took the sword out and then I stab you with a handle. The blade in hand of ancient, he chopping him in half. And tied his spine in a knot, then dropping him back. Let's get it cracking like